Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you're doing well. This video is quite different about the research for the students who are interested in to conduct research and complete their thesis, and they are enrolled in PhD or MPhil students. Okay, that this video is about that how to collect the sampling or sampling in your population. Okay, so I'll be sharing you some useful tips and methods to collect the samples of your research. So without wasting the time, I'll share the screen. Here you're gonna. So we know that the sampling, we have, that the two types. One is the probability and the non-probability. So in this video, I'll be discussing the probability. So the probability is actually the method of collecting samples. This is a random method in which we use the lottery or chits method. Ensure that all the participant or the population are included and having an equal opportunity to part of your research according to the probability. So these are the four types: simple random sampling, stratified, systematic, and a cluster random sampling. Individually we'll be discussing. So number one, a simple random sampling method. As we know that in all methods we'll be using the lottery or chit method. So you can see the picture over here. This sampling method is as easy as assigning number to individual samples and then randomly choosing from those numbers. Okay. This is the total population of this one according using lottery and chits. Okay, these members have been selected. Okay, so this is we call the simple random method. So all the population has to be option or opportunity to be selected. Second part, we'll go for the stratified. Okay, now the stratified involves a method where the research divides a more extensive population into the small group. So the left side you can see this is the population of this one, and this population has been divided into further smaller group, and after that the lottery method will be applied to select the samples from these group. This is we call the stratified sampling method. Third one is the cluster method. Okay, the cluster, as we know, that we belongs to the different race, family, tribe, and we have been divided into the different groups already, or region, and that one. So this is what we call the cluster. Okay, and clusters usually analyzing a particular population in which a sample consists of more than few elements. For example, city, family, universities. Okay. So this is a cluster, and from these cluster we'll be taking the samples. The researcher will be taking. So this population has been divided into the cluster, and every cluster has to be part of the research or a study. And from each cluster or elements, the samples will be collected based on the lottery. The fourth one, which is a systematic sampling. Okay. Now, systematic sampling, actually, we have the large number in the crowd in which we have to select the alternative numbers of that one. For example, if you want to research the product about any product, okay, for example, the Coke and we call the milk pack companies, okay. So you cannot study all the what we call bottles and all the packets of the milk. Okay, so in this way you will apply the systematic approach. Okay? And we will choose every fifth or sixth or 10th number consecutively. Okay, that you can select the samples and so on. So when you choose every, for example, 10th number or 5th number individual to be part of the sample, and these you have to collect it. So this is the total population, and after you have started to collect the third number of then third. So everybody has the opportunity to be collected, okay, or to be part of or to be a sample. So these are the 4 methods I wanted to highlight with you. So I hope this will help you a lot. Okay, we'll be meeting another lesson related to this research and all these things. I hope that you will enjoy for that. Okay, but thank you so much. If you want more about the pedagogy lessons and the courses, okay, the link you can see on the screen, and just visit the channel. That will help you a lot. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, stay blessed.